Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be answering a question that I've had a couple of times. People have said, Gerald, how much does it cost to actually start affiliate marketing? And I'm going to be answering that in today's video, right? So I'm going to be walking you guys through step by step and telling you exactly how much you need to start an affiliate marketing business. And mind you guys, I'm going to be talking from my own personal experience because affiliate marketing is basically what I do on a daily basis. Before we get into this video proper, my name is Gerald. For those of you who see me for the first time, I make videos around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done, hoping that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. Now, I want to encourage you guys to, number one, watch the video to the very end, right? Because I'm going to make this video very detailed. Like, I'm going to be explaining everything that you need to know about affiliate marketing, especially how much that you need to start. For those of you who has called me and said, Gerald, I want to start affiliate marketing, I don't have money, how much do I need? And all, I'm going to be answering all your concerns in this video. Now, it's important for you guys to watch it to the very end. Let me repeat this again, because what happens most times is that people don't watch the video, they come to the comment section, they're asking me questions that I've actually answered inside the video, right? And when I don't respond, it to seem as if I don't respond to comments and questions in the comment section. No, I do, right? But when it sounds crazy, now when you're asking me something that I've actually explained in the video proper, of course I would not feel obliged to actually answer you. Now, it's important for you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification button, and most importantly, share the video with your friend, because the whole idea is for us all to win together, right? I win, I show you exactly what I've done, you win. Then you share the video with your friends, and all of us will win together, making the world a better place. Let's go into the video proper. Let me explain to you guys exactly how much you need to start affiliate marketing, guys. So how much do you need to start affiliate marketing? Before I get into it, I think I need to understand what affiliate marketing is, right? So let me explain that for those of you who are yet to understand the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is basically a business where you get a commission for driving a sale. So you can basically go to a website like a Bluehost, for instance. I'm going to be showing you guys Bluehost. That's showing on the screen right now. Go to Bluehost, for instance, go to your affiliate program, sign up for the affiliate program, get a link, right? Your affiliate link, then send it to your friend. Your friend signs up and buys Bluehost domain and hosting from Bluehost, and guess what? You're going to be getting the commission instantly. That's an instant $65 that you're going to get instantly. Now, the challenge a lot of persons have is they don't understand that this is how easy it is to become an affiliate marketer, right? And they think that there's something big that you have to invest in and do that. Now, to answer your question, how much do you need to start affiliate marketing? It's completely free. You don't need $1, you don't need $1, you don't need anything to start an affiliate marketing business today, right? You can basically go on Bluehost right now, bluehost.com, the affiliate program. That's the first link box below. Go there right now, sign up for Bluehost affiliate program, get your link, and your friend that wants to buy a domain and a hosting, you give it to them, right? And guess what they're going to do? They're going to sign up using your link, and you're going to be getting a commission. Instead, that will be your first affiliate marketing income, right? You can go on Fiverr affiliates right now, sign up for Fiverr affiliates. It's completely free, right? Send the link to your friend, and your friend use and buy something on Fiverr, and you're gonna get the commission instantly. So to answer your question again, you do not need any money to start affiliate marketing. You don't need anything, right? The only challenge that you're gonna have is how to promote your affiliate links, to a larger audience, so that you can rake in a lot of money. And to do that effectively, you need a blog, right? You need to start a YouTube channel. But there are avenues that you can actually use to promote that you will not be spending money on doing that. Now, let me give you an instance. If you go to Quora right now, I've talked about Quora on my channel, like more than once, right? It's an amazing traffic source, one of the best traffic sources that I love so much. You see Quora, you see Medium, those platforms are amazing. Your social media platforms are also amazing, right? I told somebody the other day, we were having a conversation, and I told her, I said, what do you do with your Facebook account? She said, I just put it. I said, no, that is not what those things are for. Those things are for making money. So you can basically go on Facebook right now and start trying to get your friends to use your affiliate link to buy something, and you're going to be making a killing, right? Facebook is free, completely free. So to answer your question again, you do not need any money to start affiliate marketing. So I met this girl. She sells best sheet and best spreads and stuff like that. And I said, how do you promote your business? How do you market your business? She said, word of mouth, people that have done job before, testimonial, referrals, and all of that. I said, okay, this is what you're gonna do. Go on Facebook right now, right? And there's a trending story at that time. People were stealing the sheets and best spreads from hotels and stuff like that, and towels and stuff. I said, write a piece showing people the solution to doing this thing, and at the end of it, show them that you actually do this. And now, what a lot of persons do is they do jab, 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 meaning that they say buy, 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 buy on social media, right? It's actually boring. I watch people's WhatsApp status. There is no value. The only every time they tell you to buy what they are selling, it becomes boring because you anticipate that is what they are going to post, and most times you don't even give a damn about watching their post or anything. So the right idea is to actually give value. Now, if I want to promote Bluehost right now on Facebook, for instance, what I would do is to come on Facebook and write a piece about how to get a free hosting, free domain name for a year, and which is one thing that Bluehost actually does offer. So I can write a post and say, yeah, are you looking to get a website? I'm going to be showing you in today's post how to get a free domain name right now. So you go ahead and talk about Bluehost and this and this and that, and finally tell them to click on this link to actually get Bluehost for free, which is actually true. Right now, you are giving value, so there is an incentive for people to actually click on your link and buy these things because you have given them value. This guy is not going to be paying for domain for a year and he wants to start a website, and that's the way to go. Right? You can do that on Quora, you can do that on Facebook, you can do that on Medium. How to get a domain name for free. That's the title of your piece, your article, your post, whatever it is, and put it right there. And guess what's going to happen? People are going to respond to those kind of things because you have actually given out value, as opposed to saying, please use this link to buy Bluehost and this and that. You are not giving out any information. You are not giving out no form of value at all. It doesn't work, and that's a mistake a lot of persons make when they come right here and they say, Gerald, I've tried your method and it didn't work, right? And I asked them, I said, what have you tried? Send me a link to something that you've tried online, a post you've written on, and most of them, they never get back to me because they've not tried anything at all, right? This is a full-time business. Affiliate marketing is a full-time business, and one of the things I love about it is what I just said before, that you don't need any money to start, right? Personally, all the business I've built, I'm that guy that would build a business from scratch, and that business will bring money to expand that business. That's what I've done all my life, right? So I would rather you start with the free platforms like Quora, like Facebook and stuff like that. Now, when you've made money from this business, you can take that money and reinvest it into the business, right? Now you can actually now pay for a blog and start a blog, right? You can pay for maybe like what people that write articles for you and all of that. You can start paying for those kind of things, those tools that you actually need to scale your business. But as a beginner, you do not need any money to start affiliate marketing. That's the point I'm trying to make. Right? That's the point I'm trying to make. Like, I can start a YouTube channel right now and start promoting products. So people do reviews and they make a lot of money from it. Right? Maybe sometime next month I'm gonna do a revenue report, to show you guys, the income. I made a video. Okay, the video is showing up right here, right now. Right? This video is gonna show you exactly how I made over $50,000, doing affiliate marketing and stuff like this, right? So go and watch that video. I made that video last year. Maybe I'm going to make another video, showing you guys income reports. Another thing I love about affiliate marketing is the fact that it's basically passive income, right? It's passive income in the sense that once you set up this platform, once you've written an article on Facebook, right? Your friend reads it. That article is still there in 5 years' time. Another person might still find it and read it. So 5 years down the line, 2 months down the line, that same article that you've written is still producing results for you. You are still making money from it. That's one thing I love about affiliate marketing is passive income, completely passive income, right? That answer that you answered Quora is still going to provide results 2 years down the line. People are still watching it. This is my Quora account right here, and this is my content and statistics. Now, you see that the views are still coming in, right? Views are 1,800, 1,001 and stuff. This is one of my Quora accounts. I have like a lot. So if I come all the way down to the bottom right here, all the way down to the bottom, you see that this post was made. Is Fiverr a good place to get a logo design? Now, I was promoting Fiverr affiliates using this particular post, and this was made over 2 years ago, right? This was in 2018. This was how can I increase my Fiverr gig favor, right? This is 2018. This is 2018. This is 2018. This is 2018. This is 2019 and stuff, right? On this particular one. And guys, you can see the views right here. The view counts are mad, like they're mad right here, where you can see it right here. Then if you come all the way up right here, you see that 300 and something views, right? This is just this year alone. This is just the last 30 days, right? This is just what you're seeing here right here, the last 30 days. And these are things that I did over 2 years ago, and they're still raking in the views and upvotes and shares and everything right here. Now let's take a look at Medium, for instance. This is Medium. This is still 30 days ago, right? Now let's come down here. You're going to see that this one has 28,000 views. This one has 2,800 views. In the last 28 days, the last 30 days, I have not written anything on this account.
but the views are still coming. That's how passive this thing is. This 11,000 views. This 1,300 views. This is in the last 30 days. In the last 30 days, right? So that's exactly what I mean when I tell you that these platforms are amazing when it comes to free traffic, and you can use this for affiliate marketing, guys.
These things were written like 2 years ago, and they are still getting results. People are still reading those things, and people are still engaging with it, and people are still taking action and buying this product I'm promoting. Right? So you can do this on Fiverr. It's completely free. You can, and there are lots of affiliate marketing platforms that will require you to pay money. Please avoid those platforms. Right? As a beginner, I'll advise you to avoid those platforms, because if you pay money, right, and you don't get your money back, you become discouraged. So I want you to use those free. As a matter of fact, there is no product I'm promoting personally that I pay money to actually join the platform. No, I don't go for those kind of products. So I don't see any reason why you should go for those kind of products, right? Anything that says you pay money before you can join the affiliate program and this and this and that, please avoid it, right? So you can go on Fiverr, is completely free. Bluehost is completely free. Namecheap is completely free. Clickbank is completely free, but Clickbank has limitations. Those of us that live in Nigeria and third world countries, you are not allowed to sign up on Clickbank, right? If you want to get on Clickbank, that means you have to get somebody out there to actually set up their Clickbank account for you. Now, I made a video showing up right here, telling you guys how Clickbank just blocked my account and paid me $10,000 that was inside the account, and they gave no reason. I followed up on them and actually produced the reason. They said I was logging in from an unauthorized country. That was why they shut the account down. Right, the account was actually set up in the US. I was logging in here and managing it, and they shut it down. I said that I was logging in from an unauthorized country. That was the reason that they gave me. So what I do now is that my Clickbank account, I call the person in the UK that opened it. We'll do a Zoom call. I tell him what to do and walk him through the whole process. And it does. So I don't log in from Nigeria anymore, right? So this is private information for you, because you are actually part of the family. That's why I'm giving you this. So do not log into your Clickbank account from here if you're actually making money from me, because they're going to shut it down. That's what happened to me, right? So Clickbank is completely free. Almost okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a list of like 10 or 20 affiliate program that you can actually join right now in the comment section of this video, right? I'm going to pin it in the comment section of this video. So it's going to be a link. So you click, you go there and you set up an account, right? And you start promoting, guys, and start making a killing. So guys, if you're interested in learning how to promote this product, this affiliate and your affiliate links, to actually get a lot of persons to sign up and take action, and that's where you make a lot of money. If that's what you're interested in, the link to my course is in the description box below, right? This video right here will show you how a lot of my students are actually making money using this course, because I explained affiliate marketing. I also explained the promotion process. Now, somebody came for my training and we had a conversation, right? The guy told me he's a web developer. I said, okay, go from Bluehost, sign up. Now, when your clients give you job, right? Tell them to buy their domain and hosting with your link. Do you know that the next day that guy made $500 in a day? $500, because he had this client, but he didn't know anything about affiliate marketing. So he would take the money and buy hosting for them without using his affiliate link. But my course helped him understand what affiliate marketing was, and he signed up on DreamHost, on DreamHome, and he started getting his clients to use his affiliate link to buy domain and hosting. They will buy it, they'll now give it to him. He'll now do the website for him. And this nigga made over $500 in a single day, right? Or $500 in a single day. So I explained that in my course. If you're actually interested in going through that course, it's actually discount.geraldumeh.com. If you go there right now, you're going to be able to grab that course and go through it. It's going to help you drive home the point and the nitty-gritty, the source about affiliate marketing, guys. So let me end this by saying that you do not need any money to start affiliate marketing. Anybody that tells you otherwise is lying completely and doesn't understand what affiliate marketing is. You can start it for free, right? I've built businesses with nothing. I built businesses with nothing, like no investment at all. Now, when the business brings in money, of course, I put it back into the business and scale it. And that's what I've done like all my life, right? So guys, that's exactly what I want you to put it back of your head. There's no money. Anybody that says, give me money to invest for you, please do not listen to that person. And let me say this again, you don't need any money. You don't need nada, right? To start affiliate marketing, guys. Until I see my next video, guys, keep putting and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye for now, guys.